Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a split view inside a toggle block in Notion. This is a fantastic way to organize information neatly within collapsible sections, making your workspace cleaner and more efficient. First, go to your workspace on Notion. Once you're there, look at the left-hand navigation pane and click on Pages. This will either open an existing page where you want to add your toggle, or you can create a new one from scratch depending on your needs. Now, inside your page, you'll want to create a toggle block. Simply type /toggle list and press enter. This command instantly generates a collapsible toggle block where you can house your split view content. You'll see a prompt that says type something at the top of the toggle. Click there and enter a descriptive name for your toggle block so you can easily identify what's inside later. Next, click on the toggle block itself to expand it. This opens up the space where you'll be building your split view. Inside this expanded toggle, you need to create two new blocks that you want to display side by side. These could be text blocks, bullet points, or any other type of content block that suits your needs. Here's where the magic happens. Hover your cursor over the left side of the second block you just created. You'll notice a 6 dots icon appear. This is your drag handle. Click and hold those 6 dots firmly, then begin dragging the block to the right. As you drag, watch carefully for a vertical blue line to appear. This blue line is Notion's visual indicator that you're about to create a split view or column layout. Once you see that vertical blue line positioned where you want it, release your mouse to drop the block next to the first one. You've now successfully created a side-by-side split view inside your toggle block. Both blocks will sit comfortably next to each other in two columns. From here, you can add whatever content you need to each column. Fill them with text, images, links, or any other information that makes sense for your organization system. When you're finished, simply collapse the toggle by clicking on it. This keeps your split view hidden until you're ready to expand and view it again, maintaining a clean and organized workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.